Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We got the car washed. According to the research I've done, and I will also link everything, the 2-bucket method is the best way, but California is in a drought, so I really like the rinseless O&R method. It's fairly easy and quicker than the 2-bucket method for your every month or few month car washes to maintain the car. We are going to continue this auto detailing journey. The next step is to do clay bar. Let's get started. I am done with the back and these side panels. The clay I'm using is Meguiar's. It was this big. I cut it in half, flattened it out, is about this size with their Quik detailer. Let's continue and work on the hood and the front. The front is all done. I used a little bit of isopropyl on this spot here. I don't know what that is. It's not coming out with the clay bar. The clay bar is supposed to feel very smooth, but it's very scratchy here still. Don't know if you guys can hear that. Going to finish up and hopefully compound will take that out. We are all done with the claying process. Most of the car feels pretty smooth. It's these little spots where something has etched into the clear coat that will need additional compounding to smooth out. Video 67 done.